Welcome everyone, this is Joy of Joy Morris Beauty. I wanted to share with you some skincare products that I'm going to be trying out, that I have been trying out, so go ahead and stay tuned. So one of my beauty industry friends, her name is Lena. She is an amazing makeup artist as well as an esthetician, and she has recently launched her own skincare line called Correctives. So I had to pick up a couple of products. I was so excited for her to launch her line. Like I said, she's a wonderfully gifted, talented, and passionate makeup artist as well as an esthetician. So I've been so excited to try the products out. So I picked up a couple of things. The Gentle Cream Cleanser is a soap that I've actually been using for a while now. It is this wonderful soap that it's not sudsy, but it's a very soft and, as the name says, gentle cleanser that just has a way of cleaning your skin without stripping it. So I've been using this soap a lot at night to just kind of clean and my skin when I'm relaxing at the end of the day. So I love this soap. This soap has been great. I've already been working this into my rotation, and I'm very pleased with it. And one product that I'm going to share that I'll be sharing a little bit more about soon is the signature A Serum. So this is a serum that you are supposed to use, I believe, several times a week, and it helps to kind of, from what I understand, smooth and resurface your skin. So I'm going to be testing this one out, and so I'm going to come back and do a video and let you all know how this one in particular worked for me. But I was excited and intrigued to pick this one up too, because I do trust her expert opinion and I want to use it too. I want to be in on a secret too. So I'm going to be testing this one out over the next month or so. So I'll come back and let you all know how I like this one. But I just at least wanted to share just so you knew some of the products that I was playing around with. So go ahead and check my description. I'll include a little bit of information if you're interested in trying the product with me or testing out these products or some of her other products. Please do go ahead and go to her website and check her out. I'll link her her information in the description. So thanks so much and stay tuned. I'll be letting you know how this one works out. So subscribe and take care. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.